Imagine your child embarking on their educational journey. Now, if you had to choose a guide for your child's mind, someone to nurture their intellectual curiosity and shape their understanding of the world, who would it be? A human teacher, with their rich tapestry of stories, personal experiences, and yes, even their imperfections? Or would you entrust their development to an AI tutor, a digital entity that is tireless, infinitely patient, and seemingly all-knowing? A system programmed to deliver knowledge with unwavering precision. This is no longer a far-off concept from science fiction, it's a very real decision facing every school, every educator, and every family today. The choices we make now will define the learning landscape for generations to come. We stand at a critical crossroads in the history of learning, a pivotal moment where we are forced to carefully consider and decide what we truly value in education. What are the non-negotiables? What are we willing to compromise? On one side, AI offers the promise of perfectly optimized, data-driven learning, a system that adapts to each student's individual needs and pace. Meticulously tracking every mistake, identifying areas of weakness, adapting in real time to provide personalized feedback and customized learning paths, and smoothing the path to knowledge with unparalleled efficiency and precision. But what do we lose when we remove the friction, the unexpected challenges, the serendipitous discoveries, the human spark that ignites true passion for learning? The traditional classroom, with all its imperfections, is often messy and seemingly inefficient. But it's also the fertile ground where curiosity is ignited, where questions are encouraged, and where a love of learning can truly blossom. It's where friendships are forged, bonds are created, and social skills are honed through collaboration and interaction. It's where future leaders are made, where critical thinking is developed, and where students learn to navigate the complexities of human interaction. This isn't just about how we efficiently deliver information, it's about fostering holistic development, nurturing emotional intelligence, and understanding what it truly means to learn and grow as a human being. Is education simply a process to be optimized for maximum efficiency, or is it a deeply human journey defined by connection, collaboration, and the joy of discovery? The answer to this fundamental question will shape not just our schools and educational systems, but the very future of our society and the kind of world we create for the next generation. Picture Maya alone in her room, bathed in the soft glow of her tablet screen. She's learning from an AI tutor, a digital companion guiding her through complex subjects. The room is quiet save for the gentle hum of her computer, a stark contrast to the vibrant chaos of a typical classroom. The AI never tires, never judges her stumbles, and always adapts to her pace, meticulously tailoring the learning experience to her individual needs. It's a personalized education, crafted with algorithms and data, designed to optimize her understanding. She can ask the same question 100 times, rephrasing it in countless ways, and always get a patient, clear, and consistent answer. There's no fear of embarrassment, no pressure to keep up with the class, just a safe space to explore and learn at her own speed. In this world, learning is private, a solitary journey of discovery undertaken in the quiet sanctuary of her own space. Efficient, streamlined, and optimized for maximum knowledge absorption. Every lesson is tracked, every concept assessed, providing a clear and quantifiable measure of progress. And free from social pressure, the anxieties of peer comparison, and the distractions of a bustling classroom. It's a focused environment, designed to minimize interruptions and maximize concentration. Progress is measured in data points, algorithms meticulously track every milestone, and mastery is the ultimate goal, a quantifiable achievement marked by badges and certificates. Now imagine a classroom alive with energy, a vibrant hub of interaction and collaboration. The air crackles with excitement as students engage in lively discussions, their voices rising and falling in a symphony of learning. Mr. Harrison uses stories to explain complex scientific concepts, notices the subtle signs of confusion on his students' faces, and sparks debates that veer off script but ignite a powerful sense of curiosity and critical thinking. Here, learning is public, a shared experience unfolding in real time, unpredictable, shaped by the collective energy of the group and deeply social, fostering connections and building relationships. Students argue their points with passion, laugh at shared jokes and silly mistakes, and build on each other's ideas, creating a dynamic and collaborative learning environment where everyone contributes to the collective understanding. The AI's world is linear and controlled, a carefully curated path through knowledge, designed for optimal efficiency. The classrooms is winding and full of unexpected detours, a journey of discovery where learning happens in the most unexpected places. In the classroom, students learn not just facts and figures, but how to ask insightful questions, listen attentively to different perspectives, and collaborate effectively with their peers, skills that are essential for success in the real world. The AI system is logical and efficient, a powerful tool for delivering personalized instruction. The classroom teaches resilience in the face of challenges, humility when confronted with mistakes, and the importance of human connection, fostering empathy and understanding. Both paths offer something valuable, a unique set of skills and experiences, but they shape minds and people in profoundly different ways, influencing their perspectives, their values, and their ability to navigate the complexities of the world. Which world do we want for our children? What kind of learning environment will best prepare them for the challenges and opportunities of the future? The answer to that question will define the future of learning, shaping not only how we educate our children, but also the kind of society we create. Enter the new generation of AI tools, ChatGPT, Khanmigo, and more capable of writing essays, solving math, and acting as Socratic partners. These aren't just calculators, they're on-demand experts, democratizing access to high-quality tutoring and information. A student can ask for a Shakespeare soliloquy in modern English practice, French conversation, or debug code, all with instant personalized help. The promise is equity and empowerment, but the question remains, are these tools helpers or replacements? Will AI free teachers to mentor and inspire, or will it make them obsolete? The answer is likely somewhere in the messy middle, but the stakes are enormous. Proponents see AI as the key to personalized learning at scale. Critics worry about over-reliance, cheating, and the erosion of critical thinking. We're giving students a key to every door, but have we taught them which doors matter? Let's see AI in action, transforming the way students learn and engage with knowledge. We're about to witness how these intelligent systems are providing instant support and personalized guidance, making education more accessible and effective. Imagine a student stuck on a particularly challenging calculus problem, feeling frustrated and unsure where to turn. That student can now turn to an AI tutor available 24/7 to provide immediate assistance and support. This AI tutor guides them step by step, breaking down complex problems into manageable chunks, asking probing questions, and gently nudging them toward discovery and understanding. It's not just about getting the right answer, it's about learning the process. For language learners, AI offers endless opportunities for conversation practice, allowing them to hone their skills in a safe and supportive environment. They receive instant feedback on their pronunciation and grammar, helping them to identify and correct errors in real time. AI provides immersive experiences once reserved for expensive tutors or travel abroad, bringing the world to the student's fingertips. The real power of AI in education lies in its ability to provide instant, personalized feedback, tailored to each student's unique needs and learning style. An AI can analyze a student's essay, highlight weak arguments, suggest improvements to sentence structure and clarity, and help students iterate quickly, leading to more polished and persuasive writing. Consider students with learning differences like Leo with dysgraphia, who struggle with handwriting and spelling. AI can act as a scribe, transcribing his thoughts and ideas into text, letting him focus on the content of his writing instead of the mechanics of putting pen to paper. Shy students can ask questions without fear of judgment, exploring concepts at their own pace and in a comfortable environment. Meanwhile, advanced students can tackle new challenges and delve deeper into subjects that pique their interest, pushing the boundaries of their knowledge. The AI adapts to each learner, offering personalized support when they're struggling, presenting stimulating challenges to those who are ready for more, or providing a boost of encouragement when motivation wanes. Teachers, often limited by time and resources, simply can't provide this level of individualized attention and support to every student in their classroom. AI fills that gap, making learning more accessible, responsive, and equitable for all students, regardless of their background or learning style. But it's important to remember that AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The best results come when AI and teachers work together in a collaborative partnership, each leveraging their unique strengths to enhance the learning experience. The future of learning is personalized, immediate, deeply adaptive, and continuously evolving to meet the needs of each individual student. But it's also a future that needs the human touch, the guidance, and the empathy that only a teacher can provide. For all its power, AI can't replace the human heart of education. A machine can teach you math, but it can't look you in the eye and say, "I believe in you." Teachers ignite passion, inspire confidence, and create a sense of belonging. The classroom is a living ecosystem, full of laughter, tension, and breakthrough moments that only a human can orchestrate. Teachers sense when to pause, when to push, and when to comfort. Education is also about ethics and character, shaped in countless small moments of guidance and example. AI can simulate empathy, but it can't truly understand or celebrate a student's journey. The lessons that last are about resilience, kindness, and courage, taught by people, not programs. These are the lessons that shape who we become, and they are irreplaceable. The future isn't human or machine, it's both. Imagine a classroom where AI handles personalized instruction, while teachers focus on mentorship, creativity, and connection. Students work at their own pace with AI, then come together for group projects and deep discussions led by their teacher. Teachers use real-time data from AI to target help where it's needed most. The result? Efficiency and personalization from technology, empathy, and wisdom from humans. The AI teaches the what, the teacher brings the why and how. This hybrid model could nurture both intellect and character. It's the best of both worlds if we get the balance right. AI's greatest promise is equity. For the first time, a student's zip code doesn't have to determine their educational opportunities. A child in a remote village can access world-class lessons in any subject, guided by AI trained on the best teaching methods. Students with disabilities benefit from real-time transcription, image descriptions, and tailored support. AI can make mainstream education more accessible and inclusive than ever before. But this vision depends on closing the digital divide, ensuring every student has internet and devices. That's a challenge for policymakers and communities. If we meet it, AI could democratize education, giving every child a chance to reach their potential. The technology is ready. The question is, are we? So, what becomes of the human teacher? Will AI make them superhuman, free to inspire, mentor, and connect? Or will it make them obsolete, replaced by algorithms and screens? The optimistic vision is a partnership. Teachers as conductors, AI as the orchestra. But there's a risk of a two-tiered system: personalized, human-led education for the wealthy, and AI-driven standardization for everyone else. The technology is neutral. Its impact depends on our choices. Will we use AI to amplify our best human qualities or to replace them? The future of the classroom isn't written yet. It's up to us to decide what school and learning should be.